To address the issue of an error code F7E4 on a Maytag washer, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. It indicates a problem with the appliance's shifter. Common causes of this issue include a faulty control board, a locked slider, or a defective shifter. To resolve this problem, several solutions can be employed. Replacing the control board is one option, which involves switching off the washer, disconnecting it from the power source, removing the control knob, and opening the console to access and replace the faulty board. Another solution is to unlock the slider by opening the unit's panel to reach the shifter, locating the metal band around the plastic, and replacing it if necessary. Conducting a meter test is also advisable, using an ohm meter to check the shifter's resistance, which should read between 2 and 3.5 ohms if the reading is within this range. The valves can be checked with a voltmeter set to AC to ensure a reading around 120 volts. If the reading is outside this range, replacing the shifter may be necessary. By following these steps, the error code F7E4 issue on a Maytag washer can be effectively addressed.